We are airborne, boys. On the boat. All right, you guys, this might be one of my dumbest videos I've recorded to date, but hey, we're here. We're gonna be flying the FPV drone from the Kayak, guys. So right now what I'm doing is I am literally just testing everything out, making sure I can actually do it on land before, you know, over water. And we're gonna just do a couple test flights here. I'm gonna sit in the Kayak, got the controller. I'm gonna be bringing all this with me, you know, on the little adventure today. So let me do a couple test flights, go through a few packs, make sure I can do this, and then I'll see you guys on the water. All right, you guys, we are getting in location. We are on the water. It started to rain a little bit, so I'm trying to speed my way to the spot, but I'm basically gonna go out kind of to the middle of the lake and try to get the shot and set up before it starts to pour. As you guys can see the clouds, I mean, it definitely looks like it's gonna. My mom called me. She lives in Manassas, like an hour from here, and she said it's about to pour, but as you guys can see, it's like lightly drizzling, just like very on and off. I came out here, I believe, over the weekend, and that's kind of what sparked the idea. And the water was so choppy, but today just might be the day. So I do have the drone under here, covered up. I don't want it to get wet, so I have it under my shirt, and it's just cooling under there. All right, you guys, we have made it to the spot. We made it to the set. We got the Quadmula F5 right there, boys and girls. We're about to go ahead and put in the air. Water, I couldn't have asked for a better day. Light rain, but the water is just very calm. So this should help out a lot. And this is the spot. This is where I was at. Now, worst case scenario, I'm gonna plop it down on that island over there, but I'm gonna try to go for the landing on the boat. So here we go. We are airborne, boys. On the boat. Oh my gosh. What did I do? Wow. It's hard to like gauge how close you are to the water, you know? Holy cow. My heart's beating, honestly. Like, this is crazy. It's starting to rain a little bit. Got a little water on my O3. Oh my gosh. Wow. Holy cow, look at that. That freaking rain is coming. I don't want to do nothing too wild. This landing is going to be pretty fun. Guys, this is what we do. We're flying the quad in the middle of the lake, boys. It's absolutely gorgeous out here, though. I want to get low, but nah, bro. I'm not risking it. Woo! That's risky. That's risky business right there. Do a couple orbits. Wow. All right, I think it's time to land. We're at 21.7. This is super early. But like, at this point, why risk it, you know? Oh my gosh. All right, time to land. This is the fun part. Oh shit. Look at that. Oh my gosh, are we still recording? Yes. Oh, let me unplug this thing because I am shaking. I just need to catch my breath for a second because that's mental right there. We got one more battery. I only brought two because I'm not even out here trying to do this like that. I'm not trying to. All right, one more battery. One more battery. You guys asked for it. This thing is so cramped. This kayak. All right, here we go. I mean, I could land over there, worst case, but man. Look at this. I'm gonna do a low pass by. This is like glass, guys. I'm over here hunched up on this freaking kayak. Guys, it's absolutely beautiful out here. It's like glass. Holy cow. Is this a first? First time flying a kayak flying a FPV drone while on a kayak. Guys, it literally looks like glass out here. Holy cow. Look at that. That's the shot right there. Let me try to get that. Make sure that's in the video. That's like money right there. .1 volts. Definitely keep an eye on the volts. You don't want to go down over here. That wouldn't be good. But yeah, it's very hard to gauge how close you are to the water, if that makes sense. Because it looks like glass. It looks like a mirror, you know? So like, I'm probably, I don't know. I'm pretty high off the water right now, but like when you do come lower, it's trippy. It's super trippy. know I'm not doing nothing too wild, but I'm literally just trying to make sure I don't do anything I don't want to. Just do that one more time. We'll go right. Oh, that was rough. That was rough. My bad, boys. Alright, we're gonna come in for a landing. I know it's super early, but hey, I'm not trying to risk it. I mean, just let me land real quick. I gotta concentrate. This camera that I'm recording on, the GoPro 11 that I usually use for stick cam, is super hot, so it's probably gonna go ahead and overheat here. Hopefully you guys like this video. This is a little different. I'm on the Kayak right now, as you guys can see. On the Kayak, flying the quad. How crazy is this? So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you have any other ideas of what I might where I should fly next, let me know in the comments below. But until next video, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.